In this video, you will learn how to minimize the spread of disease during payment transactions. The amazing team here at Chargent, we've come up with and compiled this list of tips and tricks to help you and yours stay happy and healthy. During pandemics, stop using cash and paper checks to make any payments. According to a peer-reviewed scientific study that was published in the Southern Medical Journal, bacteria and viruses can live on cash and checks for many days. If you do have to handle cash and paper check, be sure to wash your hands for the CDC's recommended 20 seconds every time you have to handle cash or check. Keep hand sanitizing spray with you for when you cannot wash your hands. And if you can't find it, the WHO has published this recipe for you to make your own at home. When you're paying friends and family, use Venmo and Zelle. Sending them a check might be sending them germs. When you are at the cash register, use contactless payment methods like Apple Pay, Samsung Pay, and Google Pay. And if your card has this icon on it, it's also contactless enabled. So just holding it close to the terminal is going to work. You don't even have to touch it. So please, stop touching card terminals. You just don't need to. Neither your phone nor your finger needs to touch the terminal. When you're using your debit card, choose credit instead of debit. This way, you don't have to enter your PIN. When using credit, try not to sign. Remember that since April 14th, 2018, Visa no longer requires any signatures. If a business asks you for a signature, you should remind them that they're not required by Visa, and it's not a healthy practice. If you are working behind the register as a cashier during this time, thank you so much. See our other video that'll help you understand how to lower your risk of contraction. When we are in pandemic mode, everybody should treat cash as if it's raw meat. Use the same safety protocols that you would if you were in a restaurant cooking with pork or chicken. And most importantly, and I cannot stress this enough, listen to the doctors and listen to the scientists. Please, please do what they are asking of us. The scientists and the doctors have our health and safety in mind. The same cannot always be said for our politicians. I am encouraging my fellow business leaders to do all that you can do to help your community. There is always a chance to help others. And see this video here to find out more about how you can help. If you learned something here today, please like and subscribe. And if you have questions, just leave them in the comments below. Remember, here at Chargent, we are always here to help.